Right, so this is the PlayStation Pulse 3D. Just arrived today. Still sealed, haven't even opened it. Right, so this is a bit scary. Doesn't seem like things are proper secure. But let's open it up and find out. Okay, so let's see. Manuals. Okay, that's an interesting box. Yeah, so this just came out. Let's put these away. Yes. Okay, so we have our USB dongle, the PlayStation logo. It's quite small, I would say. It's okay. Got a USB-C cable to USB and 2 jacks and probably like a meter of cable. Just move these boxes away. Alright, the headset. This is the headset. Looks cool, looks pretty. However, the plastic looks very cheap. Which is not really what I expected with £100 headphones. This feels very cheap as well, but maybe it's part of what it is to be comfortable. Just put them on and see how it feels. Okay. There's some noise isolation and it's actually pretty comfortable. So these adjust with your head. Actually interesting. To try it out. If there's anything else in the box. No, that's it. Just a lot of carton. So that is it, really. So I guess this is gonna be charged through the USB-C. There's a power button here. You slide, I think. Yep, you slide it off. And there's some light. This is supposed to go on your head like this. The volume. Off. Monitor. I'm not sure what this monitor is. Chat, game. Buttons look okay. If this is to turn on and off the microphone. Oh, it pops out. All the other ones are sliders, and this one is just like this. And yeah, and that's it. Now I just need PlayStations to be available so we can actually play and try it out.